What's up, everybody? So we are here in our store in Las Vegas. It is the morning of our very first retreat, the Vegas Baby Retreat. We got people being picked up from the airport, the classroom's almost ready. We've got a fun week of games, sewing, prizes, classes. We got a photo booth set up and a ton more. Come along with us, enjoy the ride.
So we are here checking people in for the retreat and giving them their seating assignments. So we'll get their name, give them a seating assignment, and then what machine they'll be sewing with that day.
We have a ton of stuff to get done, and we have no idea what's about to happen. There you go. Start cutting.
How do I feel? We're gonna see in about 20 minutes, right? We're gonna see.
I feel like I have two cell phones in my hand. Not overwhelmed by any means, but like, this is happening. This is it. We're getting it going. So we're here. We're doing it. Excited. Feeling excited. I guess excited is what I'm looking for. Right. Coming out.
I'm stressed.
Hi, everybody. We're gonna get started. Can everybody hear us okay?
No!
So welcome, everybody, and welcome to the Vegas Baby Retreat. Have a little round of applause for you being here. So, we've got a few things to go over. I'm sure there's some people that have questions. We're gonna answer all those questions. I've colored take up socks that we talked about in the chat the other day. So, a handful of things to go over. First of all, thank you for being here. We appreciate, this is our very first retreat. We've never done this before. So a lot of people we picked up at the airport like, hey, it's my first retreat. I'm like, yeah, me too. Like, we've never done this before, okay? So we're glad you're here. Thank you for being here. We want to introduce Balthazar right here. So this is our very first retreat. I'm sure there's going to be a kink or two along the way that we didn't plan on. So bear with us as we work out issues and get those things done.
If you're taking one of the classes I'm teaching, there will be. So
there will be problems, okay? So let's go over the schedule, okay? So we have a daily schedule printed for each person. Breakfast is gonna be from 8:30 to 9:15 every day. It's gonna be here. We have a classroom that's set up over on that side. We'll be doing classes and food. Tomorrow, 10 o'clock, we have the 10 Sisters wall hanging class, okay? There's still plenty of space in that. If anyone wants to get signed up, wants to get extra supplies, we have that, okay?
Everyone signed up for it.
Everybody signed up for it?
It's automatic.
Yeah. That's automatic.
Great.
Everyone signed up for
Great,
that class.
okay.
It's automatic.
Okay, 2 p.m. we did a little switch on classes. We were gonna have the seam ripper class. We actually need to change it to the fabric dyeing class. So we're just flip-flopping the days, okay? So tomorrow's the fabric dyeing class. Is that okay with you, Bev? Not okay with you?
No, I have a massage scheduled for the day.
We'll work around that, okay?
Text the phone.
Text the phone. Okay. Between 6 and 10, we have our pajama party tomorrow night, okay? Pajama party, it's gonna be fun, hanging out, we have games, we have raffles. We're also having a Newstash watching party with some fun games that go with that. Pajama party is also cat themed. A lot of cat ladies out there. Sorry, we got a cat for each of you. I'm just kidding. Okay, so bring your appropriate pajamas, okay? No weird stuff. All right, Wednesday is t-shirt day. We have t-shirts for everybody. Our printer is gonna deliver them tonight?
An hour ago.
Oh, they're here. Okay, we'll be giving those out tomorrow evening. It's t-shirt day. Class at 10 a.m. is the collage technique with Carol. If anybody wants to sign up for that, you still can. We have supplies.
Everyone gets in for free.
Okay.
It's an automatic class.
It's an automatic class, but if you want to if you need any supplies is what I guess I'm gonna try to say. If it's a free class, everybody can get in.
It comes with their site.
Listen to your
You're right.
What are you
You're
talking
right.
about here?
You're right.
Okay.
Sorry, it's been a long airport day. Everybody's in that class, you have to go, okay? No exception. 2 p.m., we have the seam ripper class instead of the fabric dyeing, switching those, okay? And we're taking care of you, okay? We have a space set up back there that we've sectioned off in the warehouse to be able to do the fabric dyeing and the seam rippers, so you won't have to leave. You're working on a high-speed lathe, so we can't have 30 people in there at one time. Thursday, free motion quilting tips and tricks with Pam. Now Pam is a former team member. She used to work with us here. She was really excited for the retreat. We said, Pam, do you want to still teach the free motion class? And she was ecstatic, okay? Incredible free motion quilter.
Has everybody been?
Yes, you have to go. Okay? In the afternoon, 2 o'clock, we have the shimmer class with Teresa Porter. Okay, Teresa Porter is not only a renowned teacher, she's also our Riley Blake rep. Okay, she's the one that set up the Hobart night. Kayla had nothing to do with it. Okay, she's the one that does all the solids in the store. She takes care of all that stuff. Okay, so she's really nice and she's an incredible teacher. Let me shut the alarm off. Our alarm's going off. All right. Yeah, they're gonna fix it. Nobody's supposed to be here right now. We have a Riley Blake trunk show / purchasing event. Tianka and Teresa are gonna walk you through what it's like when a rep meets with a store owner. I'm gonna show you how the buying process works.
And you guys are gonna see the dating on the items, how long it takes to get here.
When your order is $18,000 at the end, that's what it's like when a quilt store brings in an order. Friday, 10 o'clock class is the work and project bag with Tianka. I'm gonna teach you guys all that. 2 p.m. is the window panel quilt. Anastasia is one of our current team members. She's the one that helps curate a lot of the kits, a lot of the jelly rolls. She's teaching that class. Does a great job, great teacher as well, so you guys are gonna enjoy that. Then 6 p.m. is our informal night. I know there's a lot of questions about that. We'll talk about that in a second. And it's steak night. Steakhouse is the theme for that one, okay? Informal, what did the email say, Rami, for informal?
Anything fun, funny, or funky.
Funky.
But
Nothing freaky, okay? That's the rules for the informal night. We have entertainment coming that night. We're probably gonna be taking pictures that night. We have a magician coming in to do a show with everybody. It's gonna be cool. We have some cool Vegas style stuff. I was going to say something. It's gone.
Too young for that.
I know. You guys are rubbing off on me. Okay. So, anything else?
Are we having ice cream?
We're having dessert. Anything else? Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, I made a little something to commemorate this for each of you. Can I give that to you?
Please, yes, thank you. Thank you very much. You want us to open them now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you did not.
No way. Bobblehead. Look at that.
I've been talking about this for weeks. That's awesome.
That is talent right there. Thank you so much. Very cool. All right, everyone, so the retreat is officially over. What a fun week we've had. We've done classes, we've had tons of food, tons of desserts, so much fun with everybody, and we've learned so much from each one of our retreatees, as well as all the teachers that have been here helping us out. We want to say a huge thank you to everyone that's joined us here during this retreat, and we want everyone else that's watching this to stay tuned for next year's retreat coming up in February. Guys, we hope you join us, have some fun with us, come to Vegas, and we'll see you next time.